Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Sheet API key and a JSON file. I will also explain later why we need both of them and when to use each one. So first go to the Google and search for a Google Developer Console. Click on the first link. This is a Google Cloud Console where we manage Google services and APIs. If you don't already have an account here, just log in using your Google email. After logging in, we need to create a project. As you can see, I already have two projects created, but I am going to create a new one. So I click on a new project. Now give your project any name you want and click create. Once the project is created, make sure you select the correct project from the top. This step is very important because all the settings will apply to the selected project. Now this is the project that I just created. Next we move to the main step. From here, click on Enable APIs and Services at the top. Now you will see the API library. Here you can search for any API that you want to use in your project. I search for a Google Sheet API. Here it is. Click on it. Now click the Enable button. This allows our project to use Google Sheets. After enabling it, you can see the API detail page. From the left side menu, click on Credentials. This is where we create keys so Google knows who is accessing the data. Now from the top, click on Create Credentials. Here you can see different options. From now, we will create an API key. You can explore all these settings later and adjust them according to your project. I am going to restrict this API key and select Google Sheet API from the list. We restrict the key so it can only be used with Google Sheets. This makes it more secure and prevent misuse. Now click Create. Your API key is now created. You can copy it, save it safely and use it on your website or application. Now let me quickly explain why we need a Google Sheet API key. The API key allows your website or app to read the data from Google Sheet automatically. For example, you can use it to show sheet data on a website or connect a form to Google Sheets. API keys are usually used when the Google Sheet is public and the data is not sensitive. They are easy to use but they have limited access. That's why for private sheets and more control, we use a JSON file. And now we will see how to create a JSON file. So again, go to the Create Credentials and this time select Service Account. Now give the service account any name you want and click Create and Continue. I am not changing any other setting here. I will just continue with the default options. Now as you can see, the service account is created. So next we need to generate a key for this service account. So open the service account detail page. From the top menu, click on Keys. Scroll down and you will see an option called Add Key. Here it is, click on it and then select Create New Key. Here you will see two keys option, JSON and P12. Select JSON and click Create. Now the JSON file is created and downloaded automatically to your system. These JSON files allow your website or application to access private Google Sheet securely. Inside the JSON file, there is an email address for the service account. You must share your Google Sheet with this email, just like you share a sheet with a normal person. Give this email editor access. This step is very important. If you do not share the sheet with this email, the API will not work properly. So that's it for this video. Now you know how to create a Google Sheets API and JSON file and when to use each one. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel or comment below if you want to know anything else. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.